Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so first I will show you my Jeep Compass. Now only one is working, so the right one is working and the left one is burnt out. So I guess the easiest way to do it is just to open the lift gate. You don't have to lift it all the way, just up to here, so you can get easier access to both of the bulbs, depending which one you have to replace. Okay, now this is actually quite easy to do. All you will need is like a small flat screwdriver, and you will have like a small tab right here on this side which you want to press in, and then pull this assembly straight out, just like that. And once you have it out, you just want to completely remove it. See? And now you will get complete access to that light bulb. And now to remove the light bulb, you just want to grab it with your fingers and pretty much wheel it out. And that's it. To install a new light bulb, you just want to pretty much push it in. And make sure before you install this small glass to turn on the lights and make sure that the light bulb actually works. Okay, as you can see, my new light bulb works, and now all you have to do is install this glass back. So you start with this side, you insert it into the slots, and then you just push. And that's it. This is how you can replace the license plate light bulb. Very easy to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.